Myntri Rangbah Gajlau Konrad Konggal Sangma Ulayathu Bahautayo Banwan Un Sabu Ika Jingelang Hapadeng ki Myntri Rangbah Jongki Ar Jalla Ban Yakren Bat Shim Yakarai Ka Khatduh Ban Pynbeit no Yo Put Usam Jongki Khatduh Katne ki Benta Ki Bahab Haka Benta Ka Baningkong Myntri Rangbah Gajlau Konrad Konggal Sangma Habai Kren Bat Kilat Pathai Khubor Ulayathu Bamenta Kasngi Lapenlong Ika Jingelang Hapadeng Usembut Myntri Rangbah Gajalla Uba Preston Tensong Harengkat Upijus Hazarika Uba Long Uchairman Ka Regional Committee na Assam Hakaba Hakane Ka Jingelang Layo Ban IT Markeliang Yaki Kaipod Jongkine ki Ar Committee Myntri Rangbah Ulayathu Bahakane Ka Jingelang Layo Banyaselok Sani Bha Halor Kane Ka Phang Henry Myntri Rangbah Patla Ban Seimadan Yakapang Bagi Layaselok Namar Ba Yakane Ka Benta Dang Don Kam Manra Bat Ban Yakren Hapadeng ki Myntri Rangbah Jongkine ki Ar Jalla Myntri Rangbah Ulayathu Ru Bahakane Ka Jingelang Hapadeng ki Ar Myntri Rangbah Jongki Ar Jalla On Sala Ban Yakren Bat Ban Shim Yakarai Ba Khatduh Haka Bayadei Ba Ka Jing Pynbeit no Yau Put Usam Jongki Khatduh Katne ki Benta Ki Bahab Haka Benta Ka Baningkong Hakine ki Khindiat Tayo Ban Sawan Layathuru Bahaka South Tarik Nakaliang Myntri Ka Regional Committee na West Khasi Hills District Uba Renington L Tongkhar Myntri Ka Tanat PHE Un Salej Banya Kynduh Bat Uchairman Ka Kamrup Banyakran Halor Kane Ka Benta Hanongba Guwahati Habayadei Ba Ka Regional Committee na Jaintia Hills Kabalakhli du do ba Sniaw Bhalang Dhar Myntri Ka Tanat Urban Affair Kabahadu Menta Kampatla Ban Ai Ka Kaipot Ka Jongka Hakakti Myntri Rangbah Ka Jalla Myntri Rangbah Uloong Namar Ka Ayom Lekmen Kane Ka Committee Kampatla Ban IT Ka Kaipot Ka Jongki Henry Shenhi Nakaliang Ka Jongki Kinsa IT no Ka Kaipot Henry Watla Kane Ka Committee Kampatla Ban IT Ka Kaipot Jongka Henry Ladep Banyakran Halor Kane Ka Benta Hakaba Kilabatai Yaka A Ka Badon Hakane Ka Kaipot Ka Jongki
Border discussion, and today we had a detailed meeting with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Mr. Preston Tinsong, and Mr. Piyush Hazarika, who is the Honorable Minister and the Chairman of the committee from Assam, the Regional Committee. And we had a detailed discussion and presentation and exchange of the reports that were made by both the committees. And now Assam government has the report made by Meghalaya government and vice versa. And we have gone through it. Again, detailed discussion was also held. And I must say it was a very, very positive discussion. I will not be able to give you details of that yet because we will be meeting at the Chief Minister's level again. And that's when we will be coming out with the final outcome and final decisions, which I hope will be within the next few weeks. We should be able to meet and finalize on the reports that are given and take final decision, at least for the first phase. So that meeting took place today. And as I mentioned, it was a positive meeting. And we have seen the reports. Tomorrow, the committees of Kamrup and West Khasi Hills will again be meeting. This meeting will be held in Guwahati. So the Honorable Minister, Mr. Renington Tongkhar, will be going to Guwahati tomorrow to meet up with his counterpart, Mr. Atul Boraji, and they will be discussing and taking the discussions forward for that sector also. So we are hopeful that things will move in a positive direction. Once again, I would like to take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you a very happy New Year. And I'm ready to take any questions if you have. Thank you very much. I have not submitted the copy to me yet because there was a gap because of the festive week. But we should be getting the report very soon. But unofficially, without the report being submitted also, we have discussed most of the areas, and the details of what is in the report has already been shared with us and informed to us, both by Assam and by Meghalaya committees. So we already know what's there in the report. It's just that the physical copy of the report has not been given to us yet.